Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to just quickly hop on here and let you guys know that Echo Park is having another warehouse sale. They are calling it the Summer Sale Event, going on now through June 26th. It started, I think, a day or two ago, and I'm a little bit late to sharing this with you guys, but hopefully you guys still see the video by June 26th, by Wednesday this coming week, so you guys could see all the goodies that they have. And obviously I'll have the link to where you can shop all these goodies down below. But they have collection kits for 10 for $65, so they would come out to about $6.50 each, which is like half the price or a little bit less than half. They got bundles, they got 6x6 paper pads, ephemera, decorative brads, chipboard albums, mega pads, enamel dots. Like, look at all these categories, you guys. They got so much stuff. So I'm gonna go through some of these quickly, also because I want to see what's in it. I haven't even had a chance to look. But here are the collection kits. I'm seeing some 4th of July, some summer, some wedding, travel, baby ones. Here's the Life is Beautiful. I think I got that one in my last one, I believe. So if you guys want to check that out, check the description box down below. I'll have it linked to my last unboxing of what I got from the warehouse sale. They have birthday papers. They got some Disney themed ones and just like kid papers in general. They have Our Baby Boy. I don't think I saw Our Baby Girl, not just yet, but it might be on the next page or so. More Disney, lots of Disney papers, you guys. Lots of summer. I'm seeing a lot of summer here. Not solids, but like pattern paper stripes or dots that are great for any of these collections. This one, My Favorite Things. I got that one recently also. Cannot wait to craft with it. But if you guys want to see that in detail, also check out my last warehouse unboxing. Love this paper, the Summer Market, one of my favorite ones. I also love Pool Party as well. Like I'm loving all these summer papers. But I do have summer paper already, so I do not need any more. I like that homemade one as well. So now moving on to page 2, I see a fall one, Wizard and Company. I think that's supposed to be like a Harry Potter one. I don't have that one. Actually, haven't even seen that one. I have a Witches and Wizards. I've never seen Wizard and Company, so that might be something I need to get later on. Don't need it right now. I know I still have some Witches and Wizards that I should probably use up first. First Responder, basketball, Christmas, some coffee, spring, winter. What else do we have here? Baby, Valentine, Halloween, dog, cat. If you guys need some dog and cat themed collections, here you go. So there's Bark and I Love My Dog. I have both of those, love them. And the I Love My Cat. They don't have I Love My Dog, and I love the I Love My Dog one as well. I think the I Love My Dog one is probably my favorite, but I don't see it here. I see some fall ones, and you guys know fall season is coming just around the corner, so if you guys need some fall paper, get it. Oh, here's some Witches and Wizards. They have that paper. I guess the Wizard and Company might be a new one. Oh, and Witches and Wizards 2. I do not have that one. But all good things. I've made some Harry Potter albums before, and they turned out super duper cute. Okay, moving on. Here are the bundles. So they have some bundle deals. Some of them are on sale. Some, I mean, yeah, they're all on sale, actually. So you could get a bunch of papers in just the click of one button and a bunch of, accessories or items for it. 6x6 paper pads. You can, how much were these? I forgot. So $4 each or 3 for $10. So they have the Our Baby ones, all versions, the neutral boy and girl here. They've got more baby themed ones, floral, fall, St. Patrick's Day, Disney, pets, travel themed ones, summer themed ones, a cruise one. These are fun also. Okay, so they have 2 pages of those. And you guys know I've been doing a lot of projects with 6x6 paper pads, so if you guys need ideas, check out my channel. I have a lot where you can use just 6x6 paper pads. They also have a bunch of ephemera. It looks like they have a lot of these collections already in the collection kits, or the paper pads that you could buy, or the 6x6 paper pads that you could buy, so you could just get the ephemera to go with it if you are looking for that. Otherwise, if you already have some of these collections and you're just trying to match to what's already in your stash, definitely look through these and give that a go. Let's see what else. Ephemera decorative brads. These are $3 each, or 5 for $10. 5 for $10. That's a really good deal, because you could get 3 of them for $9, or you could get 5 of them for $10. That's a really good deal. So I like to use these brads. I especially use the fall ones or the Christmas ones, not so much of the other ones, but fall and Christmas is where it's at for me. So I do tend to have some of those in my stash. Chipboard is $2 each, which is a fabulous price. They got some wedding themed ones, baby ones here as well. Summer. Yeah, and you guys, if you don't have this collection, that's fine. These will mix and match with a bunch of different collections. Like these Easter ones, mix and match with whatever collection you got. Like you don't need to just, you know, you don't have to always be matchy-matchy with your collections, as long as it's in the same theme. They have some albums. These work great with the photo sleeves. If that is your style, like the photo sleeves here, that is not my thing. I never get those. I mean, sometimes I get the photo sleeves, but I do have some in my stash still. But you can add these to albums, and especially if you want to make your own bound albums, you could use these. So that's an option, but I know I don't really get these, and I don't get the actual albums either. They also have mega pads, $5 each, or 3 for $12, and these have 48 sheets. So I'm seeing Disney, some baby, a fall one, and a couple of Christmas. And then they also have the Life is Beautiful one. That's a really pretty, like, spring themed one. What else? Enamel dots. These are never really a price that I would like. Like, I wish they had these for $1, okay? Sometimes they have chipboard for $1. How come these aren't $1? But these are $2 each. I think they've had chipboard for $1. Am I making that up? I don't think I'm making that up, but I don't know. Anyway, enamel dots. They are great if you like to use a lot of enamel dots. I also have a lot of Nuvo drops, so I like to also use my Nuvo drops in place of enamel dots. They have printed cardstock. These are just solid cardstock paper, so you could get them individually for 69 cents each. So if you have some just solid papers that you want to get for certain collections, you could do that. They have puffy stickers. These are normally smaller than like the chipboard, and they work great for like inside of albums and things like that, but also like on front covers of albums. And I just like the smaller size in general. So I'm seeing Disney, summer, Christmas, fall, what else? And a couple of baby ones, but not too much for that one. Sticker books. Okay, sticker books, you guys. I like the fall and Christmas ones. So if you guys are going to be crafting fall and Christmas, that is coming around the corner. I mean, there's Christmas in July, which is next month. And there's also, you know, fall coming up right after the summer, and summer's going to fly by because it always does. And then we're going to be like scrambling to get our fall crafting done, but I'm not seeing any fall books. Oh, I'm seeing this. Okay, I'm seeing a couple. Fall Fun and I Love Fall. I would probably get the Fall Fun one, and I think I might already have it in my stash. But then there's also some Christmas ones. A Wonderful Christmas, Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. So yeah, look at what they have. Like, you could click on any of these and you could see what kind of stickers are included. So if I'm clicking on that, here are all the sticker sheets that are included, so you can look through that, see if that's something you like. And this one, it actually looks like a lot of fun. I love all these word ones. There's more word ones here, so that's something that I would probably get. I'm not placing an order this time though, but that is probably something I would consider getting. Sticker sheets, $2 each, or 10 for 15. So these you can get as well, like 4th of July. That's literally right around the corner, like next week. Almost, pretty much. Yeah, like seriously, it's like next week. That's coming up so fast. All right, so there you got that. And then solid kits. These are $3 each, or 10 for, I don't know what it said, 10 for something, 10 for 25. So you can get your solids if you have these collection kits already. Maybe you just want to get the solids. Like I like to get ones for certain occasions like 4th of July, or I'll get fall ones for basically any of my fall paper, or Christmas for any of my Christmas paper, and I mix and match. Like it doesn't have to be that specific collection, because those papers and colors kind of just to go together, like they don't change, right? Christmas, there's always some kind of red and green. Fall, there's always some kind of browns and oranges and yellows. 4th of July, it's always red, white, and blue, right? Like some of them don't change. It's the specific collections that do change, like the baby ones, right? Those change. So definitely look at what you have in your stash and then see what you would like to get. So anyway, that is it, you guys, for the summer sale event from Echo Park. So again, it's going through Wednesday. Orders will begin shipping on July 1st. Sometimes they start shipping sooner. Sometimes later. They begin on July 1st. So if they start shipping on July 9th, that's a possibility also. Like you never know. It depends on how many orders I guess they're getting. But yeah, great prices, you guys. So if there's anything you're getting, let me know. I would love to know what you guys are shopping for. And I will see you guys in my next crafty video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.